Hi, I'm Shirlene Johnston with eXp Realty here in beautiful Parry Sound, and I thought I would share a little bit of what keeps us healthy and happy here in Parry Sound in the winter. Come on in to Georgian Nordic Ski and Activity Center and have a look.
As you enter, you're greeted at the warm and cozy BURROW, and if you have those kind of skis that you need to wax, you've got the heated waxing room. And there are trails to suit anybody's desire, whether it be long or short and playful.
Rattlesnake, I think I'll stay away from that one. And I'll just go on the Lynx Loop because it's green. Green is good, Black Diamond, not so good for me. But fun for a lot of other people. You should try it. That hill is a lot bigger than it looks. Whew. I feel like I should be playing the Rocky theme song after that. Adrian. Once you go up a hill, then you gotta go down the hill. This might be a blooper roll. I swear this hill is way bigger than it looks. And the groomers just came by and there's no tracks, so wish me luck. Hopefully I don't lose my phone. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. No swearing. Oh shoot, 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 shoot. I got this. We're good, we're good, we're good. There's another hill, but we're good. We're good, we're good. Okay, we got this. Okay. I see tracks up there. Okay, I got this. Who knew you could go slow down a hill, right? Oh, let me tell you. There's one thing I'm good at when I've got skis on, it's putting the brakes on. Oh, geez. I'm not in the track. Uh-oh. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Got this. I got this. We got this. So you can come out and you can exercise to your heart's content and get tons of cardiovascular training, or you can be like me and you can come out for a nice leisurely saunter in the woods and just stop, take a deep breath of that beautiful fresh air and enjoy the surroundings.
Georgian Nordic isn't just about skiing, it's also about fat biking and snowshoeing.
Throughout the trails, you'll find maps that will either help explain how you can go further or head home for the hot chocolate. I think I'm heading for the hot chocolate. Well, that's a wrap. I got here at 8:30. It's now 9:47, and I did one of the shortest ones. It's just because I'm slow. Anyways, it was a great morning, a great way to start your morning, to just be able to drive from your house or your cottage, come here, go for a quick ski, and man, does it start your day off well. So I hope you consider coming out to Georgian Nordic Ski and Activity Center and skiing or snowshoeing or fat biking and getting some great exercise, enjoying the great outdoors and the fresh air. I'll see you here.